Question 1. An organization needs to classify customer support emails into highly specific categories like refund request for damaged item or technical issue with login portal. Why would custom text classification be preferred over a pre-trained general text classification model in this scenario? Option A. Custom models are inherently faster to train and deploy. Option B. Pre-trained models are always more expensive to use. Option C. Custom classification allows for domain-specific categories and specialized jargon understanding. Option D. Pre-trained models cannot handle text input from emails. The correct answer is, quote, custom classification allows for domain-specific categories and specialized jargon understanding. Here's the explanation. Custom text classification is crucial when standard categories are insufficient or when the text contains specialized jargon, industry-specific nuances, or company-specific concepts that a generic pre-trained model would struggle to understand. Question 2. In a custom text classification project for detecting critical security alerts from system logs, which evaluation metric should be prioritized to ensure that as many actual critical alerts as possible are identified, even if it means some false positives? Option A. Accuracy. Option B. Precision. Option C. Recall. Option D. F1 score. The correct answer is recall. Here's the explanation. Recall measures the proportion of actual positives that were identified correctly. True positives plus false negatives. In a security alert scenario, minimizing false negatives, missing actual alerts, is paramount, making recall the most critical metric. Question 3. What is the most critical and often labor-intensive step in the custom text classification workflow, directly impacting the quality and performance of the trained model? Option A. Model deployment. Option B. Feature extraction/representation. Option C. Data collection and preparation. Option D. Annotation/labeling. The correct answer is annotation/labeling. Here's the explanation. Annotation/labeling is the most critical and often labor-intensive step. Human annotators meticulously review each text sample and assign the appropriate custom labels. High-quality, consistent labeling is paramount for a well-performing model. Question 4. A developer needs to convert live spoken audio from multiple participants in a meeting into written text and then identify which participant spoke each segment. Which two primary Azure AI speech features are essential for this task? Option A. Speech-to-text with speaker diarization. Option B. Text-to-speech with custom voice. Option C. Speech translation with real-time translation. Option D. Speaker recognition with speaker verification. The correct answer is speech-to-text with speaker diarization. Here's the explanation. Speech-to-text is used to convert spoken audio into written text. Speaker diarization specifically identifies and separates individual speakers in a multi-speaker conversation, which is required to know which participant spoke each segment. Text-to-speech and speech translation serve different purposes, and speaker recognition focuses on identifying or verifying individuals, not separating speech segments in a transcription. Question 5. A company wants to create a unique, branded voice for its virtual assistant that sounds exactly like their CEO. They also need to ensure that their technical product names, when spoken, are accurately transcribed. Which two Azure AI speech features would address these requirements? Option A. Custom voice and custom speech. Option B. Neural voices and profanity filtering. Option C. SSML and speaker verification. Option D. Speech translation and batch transcription. The correct answer is custom voice and custom speech. Here's the explanation. Custom voice enables the creation of a unique, custom voice for an application by training a model with audio recordings of a specific speaker, like the CEO. Custom speech allows developers to train custom acoustic and language models with their own audio and text data to improve accuracy for specific vocabulary, like technical product names or accents. Question 6. Which component of Azure AI Speech provides fine-grained control over the characteristics of synthesized speech, such as pitch, rate, volume, and pauses? Option A. Custom voice. Option B. Speech synthesis markup language, SSML. Option C. Neural voices. Option D. Speaker diarization. The correct answer is Speech Synthesis Markup Language, SSML. Here's the explanation. Speech Synthesis Markup Language, SSML, is specifically designed to provide fine-grained control over speech output, allowing adjustments to pitch, rate, volume, pronunciation, pauses, and the selection of different voices within the same text. Custom voice is for creating a unique voice, and neural voices are a type of voice, while speaker diarization is for speech-to-text. Question 7. What is the core function of speech-to-text (STT) technology, also known as automatic speech recognition (ASR)? Option A. To convert written text into synthesized spoken audio. Option B. To identify the emotional tone conveyed in spoken language. Option C. To transform spoken language into written text. Option D. To translate text from one human language to another. The correct answer is to transform spoken language into written text. Here's the explanation. Speech-to-text, STT, also known as automatic speech recognition, ASR, is a technology that converts spoken language into written text. Question 8. A company wants to analyze customer support calls and needs to know not only what was said, but also which specific agent or customer spoke each part of the conversation. Which STT feature is essential for this requirement? Option A. Custom vocabulary/dictionary. Option B. Real-time, streaming, processing. Option C. Speaker diarization. Option D. Word timestamps. The correct answer is speaker diarization. Here's the explanation. Speaker diarization is the ability to identify and separate different speakers in a multi-speaker audio recording, labeling who said what, which is crucial for distinguishing between agents and customers in a call. Question 9. In a cloud-based STT service, what is the primary purpose of a custom vocabulary or dictionary? Option A. To translate the transcribed text into a different language. Option B. To insert punctuation and capitalization into the transcribed text. Option C. To improve transcription accuracy for domain-specific words, product names, or proper nouns. Option D. To reduce background noise and enhance audio quality before transcription. The correct answer is, quote, to improve transcription accuracy for domain-specific words, product names, or proper nouns. Here's the explanation. Custom vocabularies allow users to define specific words, phrases, or proper nouns that are not in the standard lexicon, significantly improving transcription accuracy for domain-specific content. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.